What is up, guys? Today is a public holiday, so we're going to do the AE86 today, going to Alvin, and my Jeep has flat tire. Oh man, so I gotta take out my Jeep's tire. So time to get to the workshop. Driving Miku today because Jipra tire is flat. Oh no, no power steering. Bye. Heel-toe proof? Not bad, not bad. Padu. Engine bay. The update on it. The front is already epoxy. Wow, so nice. Then you can see Alvin already sanded the putty area. It looks really good. It's really ready for that one. What do you call it? For the paint. So good. Nice. Today is another Saturday and apparently a new month already. I've not been uploading for quite a while because I decided to actually took a little bit of rest last week. A little bit overwhelming, you know, fixing all these cars, babies. Anyways, yeah, today we're going to Elvin to basically continue more work on the Panda. Let's see an update on the Panda as well. I have been told that basically the engine bay of Panda, oh don't die, please sleep. Alvin has basically told me that he has already sprayed the engine bay with the color, so very exciting day to see how it turns out. We're actually going to some hardware shop to buy a few paint, spray paint, because we have a few spraying job to do. Super exciting day, the weather looks good, so yeah, I'll see you in Alvin. We have arrived at Alvin. Huh? Berapa itu, Bin?
Ada tukar tukar alternator ya. Ada buka?
Ada. Musik.
100 suci 500 terus beli kita government.
Gila. Kaya leh dapat beli kita government. Tuh first time nya masuk dalam video. Belum reveal dalam video, bah. Oh. Mau tolak ke matahari.
Di mulut.
Wah. Elvin respray the engine bay already. Bin, apa warna to Bin? Random pick Toyota color. It has special effect, but yeah, this color has blue crystal green special effect. Oh shit, kilat selesai ni. Okay, today's mission apa? Elvin suruh pasang brake pump, booster, clutch pump dan lain-lain. So yeah, let's do that. Spraying more carpets. Hood latch. Brake booster. Spray cross member. Elvin say save time, don't have to take out. Elvin said spray time. Electric ratchet. Hoi. Beautiful. To hook in. Oh, ada lampu sih ya. Anda pasan. Aduh, siapa tuh main-main? Nyantara cemia, ketemu cemia aja. Brake booster. Go in, baby. Sibal. Press engine bay. Brake booster. Brake booster in. Ish. Not pretty, but it's okay. Position. Seattle. Oh. So awkward position. Ayo. Now we're gonna take out the rim and spray the, what's this area called, friend? Undercarriage? No, I don't know what this area is called. But yeah, we're gonna spray that area. undercarriage spray for the undercarriage. So the engine bay is already done with all the paint. I don't know what paint this is, but it's like black. And I've also sprayed the cross member. Then gonna take out the steering rack. Full black. Yeah. Ngam ah.
Masaleh.
And then the undercarriage here, I sprayed it just now, but then it didn't really dry up properly because it's still wet. So most probably next week we have to do more. And the other side is not done yet because yeah, it's like very narrow, the space here, so I have to finish up. So Alvin is saying that by next week we want to put in the engine and do a few of the measurements. The engine is over here. I would say the engine is already done. So this is my engine. Maybe the cam cover is gonna be sprayed other color. You can see I got very excited for next weekend. So yeah, that's the update on Panda. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.